This is how to make money with Honeygain. Can you imagine making over 340,000 Nigerian Naira just by sharing your internet connection? No work, no investment. You won't believe it. Let's do some calculation together. 1,000 Honeygain credit is equal to $1. So this is $70.93. Look at transaction history. When you click payout, these are withdrawals through Honeygain Wallet. So this is 20.02 plus 20.02 plus 21.97 plus this one 22.26. Let me show you the account I used before now. You can see this is the account I used before I changed to the other one. I'm calculating how much this website has paid me. This is 40,000 credits through JumpTask wallet plus 40.56. Look at transaction history. You click payout. This is over $51 plus 51.21. This is in dollars. This is Google dollar to Naira calculator. As at the time of this video, $1 is equal to this amount in Nigerian Naira, 226.95. You can see as at the time of recording this video, converting these dollars to Nigerian Naira will give me over 340,000 Nigerian Naira. Don't forget, this is free money. All you need is your phone, tablet, or computer system. You can see you can be making up to $30 every month. Look at it passively. That is no work, no investment, just by sharing your internet with your app every day. When you use the link which is below the description of this video, you get an instant free $3 sign up bonus from this website. You need to set your expectation right. Honeygain will not make you quick money. No, you have to be very patient. You see, it can be very difficult to see companies like websites and apps where Nigerians can really make good money online. So this YouTube channel is to review different websites and apps that we accept and we pay Nigerians. This is why you need to subscribe to this channel. That will help you. You'll be able to see my videos every time as soon as I publish them. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Ensure you watch this video to the end. You are going to discover how you can make more money better working from home in Nigeria. So, how do you make money with Honeygain? Let me show you. The first thing you need to do right now is to sign up to Honeygain, and if you decide to use my link, you are going to get free $3 sign up bonus from Honeygain. You can also use Ask JOFA. You can claim your $3 gift in 3 easy steps. You first of all register. You install the app. Look at it. Get app. You click this place to get the app downloaded. Then you start sharing your traffic. That is your internet. You can see average payment on this website monthly is $30. You can see this platform pay out over $4 million every month. So you can be earning $30 plus every month. All you need to do is to click that link. It will lead you to my website, and you'll be able to use that link and claim your $3 free Honeygain sign up bonus right now. Thank you. This is the inside of my Honeygain. The first thing you need to decide is how you want to get paid. You have 2 major ways to get paid on Honeygain. You either get paid through JumpTask mode, which is going to be through JumpTask wallet, or you get paid through Honeygain wallet. Currently, you can see this mark. I'm getting paid using my free internet through JumpTask wallet. If you decide to get paid through JumpTask wallet, you will get a bonus of 10% on every of your earnings. You can see this is the total amount I earned through Honeygain. This 4,539 credit is a bonus gift from JumpTask. Aside from getting 10% bonus gift, when you get paid through JumpTask wallet, like I'm doing currently, you can withdraw from 0.5 JMPT token. That is, you can withdraw as little as $0.50. That is 0.5 cents. Let me show you. This is JumpTask website. You also see the link to join and get started. When you use my bonus code, it's going to jack up the points you are going to earn on this website. For you to connect JumpTask website to your Honeygain, you watch this video. Look at it. Connect JumpTask to Honeygain. Step by step, you will learn how to link your Honeygain to JumpTask wallet. As soon as you connect your Honeygain to JumpTask wallet, that is to your JumpTask website, as Honeygain is giving you money in this place, it will be showing on your JumpTask wallet, and you can get your payment as soon soon as your payment reaches 0.5 JMPT token. This is the current value of JMPT token as at the time of this video. This is where you connect your crypto wallet to JumpTask website. It is very easy. If you want to make money with Honeygain, you need to learn a lot. So for you to connect your JumpTask to any crypto wallet of your choice, you will need to watch this video. It will help you to connect your wallet address. It can be any wallet to JumpTask website. The link of the video will come out here. You can watch that video later, or you just type JumpTask to MetaMask by Ask JOFA. For you to learn how easy you can collect your money, look at this amount. 2.3 is about $2.12. All I need to do is to click payout and it will show in my wallet here. You can see this my wallet is at 0 balance now and JMPT token is at 0. I will withdraw this amount to that wallet now. I will click payout. It depends on the network you are using on your wallet, but for this withdrawal I'm going to use BNB token, that is Binance Chain. So you can see recommended. This is the total amount I will get. This is going to be the charge. You just click payout. Look at it, transfer in progress. Expect your reward within 72 hours. It will show instantly. Disregard this. You can see the same amount has been transferred to my wallet instantly. You can now move this money to either any exchange, Binance, Bybit, and you'll be able to move this money to your bank account or PayPal in your country. That is how you get your earnings through JumpTask wallet. For you to get your earnings through Honeygain Wallet, this Honeygain Wallet, you come to this place. You switch to Honeygain. You click switch to Honeygain Wallet. Look at it. You are now earning in the Honeygain mode. So currently I'm earning through Honeygain Wallet. And one major thing you need to know is that when you are getting your earnings through Honeygain Wallet, you must wait until this amount reaches 20,000 credit, which is $20. Look at it. Collect $20 to request a payout. So this will increase to 20,000 credit before you can withdraw your money through Honeygain Wallet. For you to learn how to withdraw your money through Honeygain Wallet step by step, you watch this video. The link of this video will come out here. You watch it later. I will switch this back to JumpTask mode because I will get bonus of 10% and I can collect any amount at any time. This is just transaction history that will show how you are getting paid and your payout history. The next important thing that you need to know here is referrals. This is Honeygain referrals. With this, you'll be able to refer your friends and family members. You see your referral link here. You copy it, share it to your friends and family members currently in Honeygain. As soon as the person that you refer has gathered and get paid up to $20, Honeygain will give you a gift of $5 and everybody that you refer will get $3. This is why you need to use my link. If you are new to Honeygain, you get a gift of $3 instantly. You need to watch one of my videos that will help you to start referring people very fast. Let me show you. This video is about how you can post your referral link using ChatGPT and you'll be able to see how I make a lot of money doing that step by step. The link of this video will come out here. You can watch this video later. You'll be able to learn how to share your Honeygain link and it will continue to make money for you for a long time. The next important thing that you need to know is about Honeygain achievement. Honeygain achievement is a way of encouraging you to doing tasks and to continue to use Honeygain every day. As long as you continue to use Honeygain every day, you'll be rewarded all the time. Honeygain achievement have challenges that you will do. Like this current challenge is that I need to do some task on JumpTask website. I've done a total of 4 out of 5. As soon as I do the 5th one, I will get 1,000 credit, which is $1. This one is gold pot. In Honeygain, there's what we call lucky pot. This is my lucky pot. As soon as I share up to 15 megabytes of internet, this honey pot will open and Honeygain will give me a special gift. So you can see I've currently gathered 8 out of 15 megabytes. You are supposed to get this every 24 hours. I demonstrated how to open lucky pot in Honeygain. Quick guide. You can win up to $100 on a daily basis. It depends on the gift they give you. As soon as you participate in challenges, you will win rewards in form of stickers. You can see different stickers that I've won. This is the current one that I'm yet to win that I'm working on. And this 21 pot, that is I need to open 21 honey pot. As soon as I achieve that, I will get this sticker reward. So the objective of Honeygain achievement is to help you open your Honeygain every day so that you can continue to share your internet. As you share your internet every day, there's something to win. As you win something every day, this your point continue to grow and your money continue to grow, and you can always cash out at any time of your choice, especially when you use JumpTask wallet. For you to make money with Honeygain, you need to learn a lot. For you to start learning about Honeygain, come to Ask JOFA YouTube channel. When you get here, click playlist. You'll be able to see all my Honeygain videos and related videos that I've done that will help you make more money with Honeygain. The most important of those videos that you need to watch, this is the video. 12 Honeygain tips and tricks to earn $5 daily. These are my practice and what I do with Honeygain that has made me to earn so much money from Nigeria. The link of the video will come out here. You can watch this video later. Thank you. You now know all you need to make money with your free internet. You see, to be independent in life and to empower yourself, you need to learn new stuff. You can make money online. Real money. But you cannot do that just by working with apps and websites. This is why you need to consider going through my training. You will see the link below the description of this video. That training will help you to transform your passion, area of expertise. There's something that you know and that you have. That training will bring it out through the power of video marketing. Practical implementation of how to change your life via YouTube, TikTok, and any other video platforms. And you'll be able to make money not just in dollars, in millions of Nigerian Naira, right here, working from home. Also, don't forget to watch the next video. It is all about another 23 apps that makes me money all the time in Nigeria. Another thing that you need to do right now is to please subscribe to this channel. Like this video, drop your comment, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.